friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning for the week of May 17th through the 23rd. And as I was whiting out things, my whiteout tape ran out. So obviously we will be putting a sticker here to cover up that 8 p.m. And I do have to redate things up there. But before we do that, the kit that I'm using today, basically because I need more summery vibes, is the, oh, what was it called? Hang on. This happens to me every time. I'm like, I know this. I know this. What is it called? Let's see. Do I still have the little sheet? I want to say it's the Beach Vibes kit, but I could be completely wrong. Holly, you're a hot mess. Hot Mess Express. Yep, it's Beach Vibes. That's what it is. It's the Beach Vibes kit. And this is actually one that is going to be going away by the time you see this video. I'll put the date when this is last available, and if it's, still that day, awesome, you can still get it. If it's not, then don't worry, because new summery kits are coming out. But I wanted to use this for this week. It's the last full week of school, so I'm super excited. So let's start with our weekday kind of banners here. Oh, and Sharpie is back to his old self. You might hear him playing in the background. He had an ear infection and his allergies just went crazy last week. We were able to get him into the vet. All is good. He is back to his normal self. He is currently playing with the dinos. And we are one step closer to having the house ready for the folks to move in. We are updating the house with some, handicap accessibility things. My dad has MS, has had it for 37 going on 38 years. I know this specifically because it kind of rides around my birthday. So that's how I remember how many years he's had. He's been formally diagnosed with MS. He had it longer, but, it takes a while to get that diagnosis going. All right, next thing I want to do is see if I have in my journaling sticker book the right stickers for the dates. I do, and I think they're going to fit just fine. Right. Yes. Perfect. Isn't it nice when that happens? Oh, hello, Huff and Puff. I hear you huffing and puffing. He's been super silly this week because, oh no, I've got like a big shadow again. Let's see what's causing that. Probably the camera arm now. I don't know. We're just gonna have to deal. I can turn a light on, see if that helps, but it probably won't. So yeah, he's been silly this week because I had a personal day this past Wednesday because I got my second Moderna vaccine, and I wanted him, and so I got my second vaccine on a Tuesday, and because you just don't know if you're going to have the bigger reactions or not, I ended up taking a personal day just because I didn't want to put my school through the stress of, does she need a sub, does she not need a sub type deal. So I'm like, you know what, if we just put it out there, it's done. And I'm glad I did. I was super foggy and tired. Like, I didn't have the extreme, like, reaction, like flu-like symptoms or anything like that, but I was real tired. But Sharpie was like, but when you stay home, we get to go for long walkies. Why are we not going for long walkies? And I'm like, because, dude, I'm tired. We're not doing long walkies. So that was funny, because he was like, for sure we were gonna like have a grand old time, and I'm like, no, not so much. All right, let's do kind of the beachy scene up here. I like that, that's fun. And then we'll put that here, and we can write May. All right, so I did some, well, I should say I didn't do something this week. Usually I have like a sticky note that has like all the things that I'm planning on doing. Didn't do that this week. It happens. Do want to put, so last week, let me flip this one over. Last week I did the small checklist that you can get separately if you buy like her little check. Did I say these were all Coffee Planner Mom stickers? This is a day. Anyway, at CoffeePlannerMom.com, you can get these little checklist stickers too. They're part of the big checklist sticker packs. Like, I have the watercolor ones right here. And the 4 checklist was perfect for tracking my points, my activity, my sleep, and my steps. So I think I'm going to do that this week again. Now, I don't have checklists that are, I mean, I do, but they're the longer ones. I guess I could cut them apart. But I don't really want to do that. I want to use these for some other things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, it would work. But where's my little guy? My little sticker book. Oh, in front of me. It's gonna be one of those planner videos where I'm just kind of silly and all over the place. So I've got the blustery blues that have some of the lighter blues in it. And then maybe we use some of the watercolor ones. We could just do the blues. 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5. Cut that apart, or maybe cut a couple of these blues apart. So many options. All right, let's get that taken care of. All right, that worked out okay. I can work with that. All right, next thing. Oh, maybe we will put the big quote at the bottom. Live in the sun, swim in the sea, drink the salt, drink the wild air. I could do that, or I could do it down the middle. Like, stagger it. Maybe that one. Oh no, too many ideas. Yeah, I think we stagger it and we do live in the sunshine. Let's do a little. Yes, that's cute. That is awesome. I like that. All right, so next I do want to do maybe a sideways box. And then checklist box like that. Oh, that's cute with all the little arrows. Oh, Sharpie done. And then I know I'll need the dinner one. So maybe what we'll do is we'll put that closer to the top this week. And we'll use the meal plan sticker. Oh, this is coming out super cute. And I'm already making it, it's making me feel like we're gonna get through this week. I mean, we are gonna get through it whether we want to or not, but let's use some of the deco around the quilt. So if you haven't checked out Coffee Planner Mom yet, I am a PR girl for her. My code is Holly15. I'll pop it on the screen, probably right about now. And if you use my code, you get 15% off, but you also get a cute freebie that I did take out because I was like, gotta remember to show the freebie. There it is. It's in the drawer. And this is actually in the Summer Nights colorway. That one is also going white, but I know she's doing another kit that has kind of similar colors to it. So you get dinners, chores currently, and then a whole bunch of bullet points. Super fun. All right, but back to the spread. I just need some summery things. You can tell the kids are feeling it too. After all of the testing, and it's just been kind of a wild ride, but we made it. So we got a to-do list there. Do we want to add, we've got this guy here. Should we put him over here? Yes, in the quote. Yes. Let's do. And that's another great thing about her stickers. You can place them really however you want. She has most of her 9 full box stickers are going to be able to be rotated either landscape or portrait. Obviously, if it has a quote on it, maybe a little bit different, but it does kind of help out with your planning that way. All right, I'm going to need a chores sticker. Might not have left enough room for that, but that's okay. We'll just put it on a different day. I'll put it right here. So even though I'm not going to do these on Fridays, that's okay. So we're doing zone cleaning, and we will be in zone 4, which is the master bedroom, which is perfect because we need to get that taken care of. I do like to label what zone I'm in. Because the master bedroom will become my parents' bedroom, and we're moving upstairs. All right, habit tracker. That might be it for the kit. It for the kit. But I do want to do a habit tracker this week because there is something very specific I want to track. So I reorganized my stickers. So now I can't find the stickers I'm looking for. Really? did I put those? I'm going to find it after I'm done filming. That's what's going to happen, because that's what always happens. Okay, did I accidentally put it in with the monochromatic kit? Because I could see me doing that. Nope. Nope. It's going to turn up randomly. I'm going to go, oh, yeah, that's where it was. All right, that just means we get to have some fun making our own habit tracker. So let's do that. We're going to use... got that guy there, and we got the shells. Do we have, I already used him there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a checklist, and we're gonna turn it on its side. We're gonna put it maybe here. It's a little large, but we're gonna make it work. Okay. Then, ooh, I mean, we could do more shells here. Maybe a lot of shells. We do a solid box. Now, you may say, but this habit tracker only has 6 dots. That's totally fine, because really I'm focused on 5 days, not all 7. But it's to, I'm just gonna write protein shake. And my goal is to replace my cup of coffee that I take with me to work. Because I drink plenty of coffee at home. I don't need to, I mean, everybody needs more coffee. But I want to replace the cup of coffee I take with me to work with a protein shake. Because I think it'll help me feel fuller longer, and I think it'll help me with my stress/boredom eating. So if I could do that 5 days a week, that would be rockin' awesome. I know I could have cut that off, but like if I do it 6 days a week, I want to mark that down. So there you go. I think, I'm kind of looking at it, I think that's going to do it for this spread for this week. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos or hear me ridiculously babble on certain days, hit that subscribe button right now, and I will catch you all in the next one.